Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make macaroni salad with Mayonnaise Panlasang Pinoy. Start by boiling 2 cups macaroni until tender, then drain and rinse with cold water to stop cooking. Chop carrots, bell pepper, green peas, and onions and fold into pasta. Mix in 1 cup mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons sugar, salt, and pepper to taste. Chill for at least 1 hour before serving for best flavor always. For creamier results, use full-fat mayonnaise and taste as you go to balance sweet and salty notes. Fold ingredients gently to avoid mashing pasta and maintain a pleasant bite. If the salad seems thick, add a splash of milk or a teaspoon of vinegar to brighten flavors. For a lighter option, substitute half the mayo with plain yogurt and adjust seasoning accordingly to keep the Panlasang Pinoy character intact. You can customize the salad by folding in boiled eggs or ham cubes for extra protein and heartiness. Mix in sweet pickle relish or raisins sparingly if you like a sweet contrast in each bite. Always chill the salad well so flavors meld and the texture firms for clean slices or scoops. Serve as a festive side with fried chicken, lechon kawali, or simple grilled meats for a crowd-pleasing dish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.